This is a unboxing of a Kickstarter product that I backed, and I actually didn't think I was going to get this. They've been working, pretty hard on getting this out, and a lot of people have been upset saying they haven't gotten theirs. I actually got mine on a few days ago, and I was surprised. I was like, "Oh wow, they actually finished it and everything." So I'm gonna do an unboxing of it. This is a gimbal that I bought. It's called the Taro. I don't remember what model I got, but here's the box, and it says, what does it say here? Dynamic tracking, extremely stable, action shot, auto edit. Taro Technology Incorporated. So I'm gonna do an unboxing of it right now. I actually haven't opened it for like a day or two now. I think I got it on Thursday, but we're gonna do an unboxing of it right now. I don't think I'm gonna be able to test it out, but let's get to it. Open this thing up. I gotta get like a better tripod to record this better, because this tripod that I have is like pretty small. I should actually use it. It's got the robo feet or whatever it's called, so I can attach it to anywhere, which is what I really should be doing with it. So let's unbox this. This box is like pretty thick. Supposedly this is like a gimbal basically, but it has the ability to track. Like you put a wristband on and it can track like the person or whatnot. Like if you put the wristband on a person, the gimbal supposedly can track that person and everything like that. So let's see, here we go. Looks pretty cool. Taro. It looks like there's a camera on top of the gimbal. This was a Kickstarter that was it was a Chinese company Kickstarter. Okay, that's pretty cool. The guide, the quick start guide, is right here on the box itself. It says what you need to attach. You put the phone there, and that's the gimbal itself. Okay, let's open this up. How do I open this up? The static on the how do I open this thing up? Oh, it's sideways. Here we go. Let's see, so we're gonna open it sideways. Oh wow, it comes with its own case and everything. Jeez, didn't know that. Oh, so they made an app for it. That's why I can understand why it took them so long and everything. Because you had to develop the app, you have to make sure that they're talking about they had problems with overheating on it. I think they mentioned with the chips overheating, so they had to go back and redo that stuff. And here's a book over here. Let's see, specifications. Let's see if I can zoom that on for you guys. Tracking gimbal. See, it comes with a tracking module, tracking wristband, continuous working hours. Oh wow, 10 hours. 2 hours after fully charged. Charging time. Charging specifications. It's a quick start guide. Okay, so I think I got the X1, I believe. That's that one right there. So it comes with all that stuff. All this stuff it comes with. Type-C cable. It's very interesting. I've never had a gimbal. I do sort of have an idea of what it does. Here's the guide though. Oh, there's a joystick on it also, which is interesting. Let me open this up. Let's get to it. the device itself, because that's the whole point of this video. Okay, here. Let's see if I can put this up here so you guys can see it a bit better. Okay. And that's pretty much the stuff right there. Let's adjust the camera here for you guys. This is got some little snacks here. I don't think you guys want to eat this. Don't eat that. Whoa, what's this? Holy crap. Okay, so these are the tracking, the wristbands or whatnot that you put on yourself so that it can, so you can track someone. So you basically put this device, I think, on yourself or something like that. Yeah, you put this on here like this. Okay, here's the wristband, and then what do you do here? You put this like over here, and then you put it around your arm. And then supposedly what's supposed to happen, which I imagine will happen because this device was made to do it, is it will track the person with the wristband on it. So let's get this out. So this is the camera that goes on top of here. Let's see, get this out over here. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay. So I guess you clip this on. This is interesting. Oh, okay, so you connect it. It has a connector on here. I don't know if you guys can see that. So it has a connector on it, and then you attach this to the case with the, with the gimbal itself. It has like a USB connector or whatnot. Put this back in here in the box. So that goes there. What do we got here? I think this is the attachment for the gimbal or something. I'm not sure what this is. I'm not too familiar with this camera equipment. This is like my first piece. I guess this is a little tripod or something here. Not sure. Put this over here. That there. It comes with a cable here. Okay, so this is what gets attached to that camera. One of these ends. It's got USB-C proprietary cable here, right here. And then I guess there's two cables in there. Put that there. And we're going to take the gimbal out here. So this is a like that. And then we take this out over here. Oh wow, this is really nice. It's got some weight to it, obviously. It's it's a bit heavy. It's got the controls here. I don't know if you guys can see the controls there. It's a little bit dark. My lighting's not that good here, so apologies for that. Let's see if I can get the lighting maybe a little bit better. So it's a Taro, and then this is where you put this, I imagine. Put that there. It looks pretty cool so far. But I guess that's about it. I just wanted to show you guys that the device has come out, and it feels good and stuff. And I hope to have a I don't know if I'm gonna do a review on it or an actual real world real world test on this. Wait, hold on. Let's see what's going on here. This is the USB thing, charging port. It's a USB micro. I hope to maybe follow up. I might follow up in the comments with like a mini review of it for you guys if you want to know. Honestly, I don't know if I'm going to use this. I'm not going to lie. I was planning on using it, but I don't know. I'm sure I'll find a use for it sometime, but that's about it. I just wanted to show you guys this. The device did come out, and it's here. The Taro AI filming robot did come out. I received mine, and that's about it. Thanks for tuning in.